Hi there, it's Grant here. In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can ethically spy on your competitors who are running YouTube ads. So you can see what ads they're running, or video ads they're running, the targeting they're using, and how you can build out your audiences using AI so you can target the best possible audiences for your YouTube ad campaign. And obviously, if you're watching this video, you're probably interested in running YouTube ads. You maybe never run them before, or maybe you have, but you haven't had a lot of success. The 3 keys to running a successful YouTube ad campaign is getting your targeting dialed in. Very, very important. Choosing the right creative, very, very important. And also, basically, once you've got those 2 pieces, you've got to train YouTube's algorithm, their AI, so basically they can go out and find your ideal customers consistently day in and day out. That is basically the key of YouTube ads. If you can nail those 3 things, you're going to be very successful with the platform. So with that said, let me crack on with the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can ethically spy on your competitors' YouTube ads. This is awesome. This has changed the game for me big time when doing research. Researching ads and audiences for my YouTube campaigns. Now I'm an affiliate marketer, so obviously I use a lot of paid advertising, Google and YouTube, to find winning YouTube ads and audiences. So basically I can maximize the commissions that I make, and also try and find new product ideas. So let's just sort of go here now. Let's say just for an example, I'm an affiliate marketer, so one of the hottest products out there on ClickBank at the moment, that is the hottest product, is a product called Alpiline. Obviously, I want to figure out how other YouTube advertisers are promoting this product on YouTube, and basically what kind of video ads are they running. So basically, I'm using a tool here called keywordsearch.com. It is honestly, this tool has really helped me with my affiliate marketing business. It's helped me find new affiliate products that aren't necessarily on the market, and it's helped me come up with video ad ideas and keyword searches. So if, for example, I wanted to promote Alpiline, I want to get my targeting right and the video ad right. So let's have a look. So basically this is the product name, Alpiline. This is a keyword. And lo and behold, these are all of the video ads that are running to this keyword. So let's have a look at this one. So as a general rule, if people have got video ads have got tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of views, then it is profitable. I mean, the fact that this has got 1.8 million views, we know that this video ad is working for this advertiser, and they're obviously an affiliate promoting Alpiline product. So basically what we can do here, lo and behold, we can spy on the YouTube ad. Just play this, and you can spy on this advertiser, whether their ads are listed or unlisted. So you can play this, and basically, you could model, don't obviously copy, but you can model similar YouTube ad. Now, the other powerful thing that I can do is I can spy on the landing page that they're using. And obviously here they're using UTM, so they're targeting the term Alpiline. So if I was going to run this product, I just straight out of the gate target Alpiline keywords in YouTube by creating a custom segment. So I'd create a custom segment in Google with various Alpiline keywords, and here's the landing page. So here we go. So this is the landing page. So what I would do is I would model this landing page to promote the VSL. And if we click on here, so there we go. That's the advertiser Cold E. and this takes to the Alphalene VSL. So hopefully you're seeing how powerful this is. So I would never be able to, well, I could potentially research all of this, but it could take me hours or days. In fact, I'd probably struggle. I wouldn't be able to find this ad. But now, with the click of a button, I've got an ad to model, and I've got an ad, a landing page. I know what landing page to model. So, and I know what keyword I'm going to target. I'm going to target the term Alphalene. So within a click of a button, I can spy on any competitor I want. So let's do another one. So let's have a look. If you're here, you've probably heard of ClickFunnels, the largest funnel bidding software out there. So let's do ClickFunnels and let's spy on ClickFunnels ads. And they'll probably be having a ton of ads here. So here we go. So these are all the ads that ClickFunnels are running. In fact, if you wanted to promote ClickFunnels as an affiliate, you could basically model. So these are all retargeting ads. So these are all the titles, so we know what they're doing. So these are retargeting ads, testimonial ads. So all these are all of the different. So ClickFunnels, there, ClickFunnels. So these are all ClickFunnels ads. These are other advertisers are trying to, piggyback on the ClickFunnels term. So yeah, I could click into here if I wanted and model the ad if I want to promote ClickFunnels as an affiliate. So yeah, very, very powerful tool. So that is how you can spy on your competitors' YouTube ads. Incredibly powerful tool. Now, how do you build out your audiences? So basically this tool, keywordsearch.com, obviously if you're blown away by this tool like I am, and if you're an affiliate marketer or coach, consultant, or whatever online business you run, if you want to start using this tool, you can get a free trial. What I'll do is I'll leave a link below to keywordsearch.com, and you can sign up for a free trial. I do believe it's free trials around about 5 days or so. So you can come in here, have a play. But I would highly recommend, if you want to get into YouTube ads, get this tool. It's going to save you a ton of time coming up with video ad ideas and targeting ideas. It's a game changer. So basically this tool comes with it's got AI. It runs on AI. I don't know how it works, but basically you can create new AI audiences for Google ads. So all of your YouTube ads. So you can build audiences, custom audience segments on your business information, competitors, problems and solutions, on your ad script, on your persona. So let's have a look at competitors. Let me just show you how this works. So if you're really struggling, for sort of keyword terms or audiences, come in here. Let's just type in ClickFunnels because everyone knows ClickFunnels pretty much. So add competitor. So let's generate audiences and let's see what this tool comes up with. So it just takes a bit of time. So it's going to go out. And it's going to generate the audiences for me. And basically, if you do go onto the pay plan for this tool, you get 100 searches a month, which is which is going to be more enough for you. So it's just creating the audience segments. Just takes a little bit of time. Yeah, so basically this tool is absolutely awesome. So whilst that is doing that, and I think it's come up with something. Let's see what it's come up with. Sometimes this tool can be a little slow. Oh, here we go. Yeah, there we go. Competitors for ClickFunnels. So these are all of the interests, so affiliate marketing, conversion optimization. These are quite broad terms. but it's going to give you a starting point. And these are related Google search terms. So, you can basically take all of these interests and add them in to a custom, an audience segment in your YouTube accounts. Just gives you a really good, place to start. So there you go. So, all of the interest for, around ClickFunnels, if you run a landing page software, you want to be targeting all of these and going broad. So that is basically how you use the, use the search. Let me show you something else as well. This is awesome. So let's just say, let's just type in, I want to start playing, promoting Alpiline. So let's have a look at the searches here. It takes a bit of time for the tool to bring up the searches. So I'm an affiliate marketer. I want to promote Alpiline. Let's see if it's worth going after the Alpiline terms, which, to be quite honest, I would do, because they're pretty much bar keywords. So let's just have a look. I love this. This is one of the tools I use the most with this, because it gives you all of the search volumes for all of the keywords in YouTube, so I can go in and start creating audiences around those terms, so I can target them. So yeah, it just takes a little bit of time to bring up the search data. Here it comes. Oh, here we go. Yeah. So yeah, if I was going to promote Alpiline, I know what video ad to promote or to make, because I know what the ads the competitors are running, I know what landing page to promote, and these are all of the search volumes for this product, Alpiline, which is, like I said, one of the hottest affiliate products out there. So Alpiline Official, so I'd be targeting that. Alpiline.com. This is money, guys. Honestly, for me as an affiliate, I'll tell you, you know what? I'm going to tell you, if I wanted to promote Alpiline, and I'm considering doing it because I promote mainly financial stuff and, online marketing stuff. If I wanted to promote Alpiline, what I would do is I'd take some of these Alpiline terms, create a custom segment audience out of it. I'd bang them into create an audience segment, create my video ad based on the research I've done in AdSpy, model landing page, and then I'd start running YouTube ads. I'd be starting YouTube ads running about $20 a day, because these are all money keywords. These are all money. These are all buyer terms. Someone's typing in Alpiline to Google and YouTube, then yes, they basically want to buy Alpiline. So yeah, so this keyword tool here is gold, absolutely gold. So I love it. Also, another awesome thing that you can do with this tool, and I love this. And this tool, by the way, is created by, I do believe, Alaric Hake. I hope I haven't butchered his name. He's basically one of the world's leading YouTube advertisers and coaches. Basically, yeah, you're in good company if you use this tool. Like I say, if you want to get a free trial to this tool, so you can start doing audience research and getting, audience ideas and doing keyword research for YouTube, then yeah, I'll put a link below. We can get a free 5-day trial. I do believe it's 5 days. So yeah, it's Alaric Hake, guy who created it. He's genius. So basically, if you get a free course with this tool as well. So introduction to keyword search, how to buy and invest YouTube ads. So basically, he kind of walks you through how to do all of your audience research, deep audience and keyword research, finding specific and broad keywords for campaigns, your own competitor research, topic, rediscovering research, spy and competitor ads, which I've shown you, custom audiences in Google ads. So he basically walks you through how to do all. Did you know also you can retarget competitor websites with YouTube? And he shows you how to do it. That is gold. How to retarget Google search intent on YouTube. So basically, one of the powerful things with YouTube is that whatever people are typing into Google, say Alpine, you can target them with YouTube ads. Building app audiences, finding competitor keywords. So this little course here was honestly one of the best YouTube courses that I've ever been through, because at the end of the day, creating a YouTube ad on Google is pretty easy. The hard bit is doing all of the audience research and knowing what kind of creative to basically write. So that is how you can spy on your competitors' ads, and how you can do all of your keyword research and get training all in one tool. Keywordsearch.com does it all. I love this tool so much. It's changed the game for me with YouTube ads, and I don't say that lightly. And it's such an awesome tool. So if you want to get a free trial to keywordsearch.com and try it out for yourself, so you can start getting video ad ideas, spying on your competitors, see what keywords they're targeting, build your audiences, and get an awesome training for YouTube ads. It will put you ahead of most 95% of YouTube advertisers. Why not get a free trial to keywordsearch.com? I'll leave a link down below, and you can basically sign up for your free trial. Anyway, I hope you found this video really useful and informative. If you like the video, why not like it? Why not subscribe to the channel to get more content like this? Thanks for joining me, and I'll speak to you soon.